Kailan ba nagsimula yung science literacy na yan? To somehow look back, 1958 pa lang po, meron na tayong coined na term na scientific literacy. And so si Paul D. Hurd, yan, tsaka si Mac Purdy, they separately coined this term. Pag nagagamit na nung bata, na-apply niya yung napag-aralan niya, yun na yun, no? That's already scientific, an evidence of scientific literacy. But also, we have to take note that there are civic issues, no, civic context here of science. For example, how important is science in a society? How society shapes the science that we have. When we look at science literacy or scientific literacy, we are talking about different types, no? It could be practical, it could be civic, and in the long run, it could be cultural. So yun po yung tinatawag natin na scientific literacy as OECD defines it. No? Understanding of the broader goals of science. So hindi lang ito yung basta ma-solve yung problema mo. Of course, ma-solve yung problema ng country and even the world at large.